Now that our composition is built and all the layers are in place, the last thing we need to do is to save everything that we've applied. To do this, make sure your Wonders of the Deep composition is open, and we need to open the render queue. So let's go up to Composition and choose Add to Render Queue. The render queue simply allows it to render or create your final file. Now, for the most part, we want to keep this as easy as possible. Notice that everything can be found at the bottom in your timeline area. Our render settings are always going to be set to our best settings. There are some different output modes you can choose from, but we're always going to choose either lossless or just high quality to keep everything simple. The most important part, however, is where you're going to output this to. When you choose Not Yet Specified, this will ask you where you want to save your movie to. Notice that it's going to be a QuickTime movie, so I'm going to choose my desktop and make sure your name is on this. So instead of it saying comp, I'm simply going to put my name. With this done, we can hit save. And we're not done yet. In order to render the movie, you must click on the render button. Doing this will go through, and it may take a few minutes or a few seconds to completely render out your entire animation that we've created. Once it's finished, you'll hear a little bling, and now on your desktop you should be able to find your movie file. You might want to locate it, open it up, and make sure it rendered correctly. We can now, for one last time, go to File and save our After Effects project. And to close out the project, we can go up to File and choose Close Project.